pranking my mom with the honk prank, where you put a sign on the back of someone's car and you prank them and put like honk for good luck or honk or something. So I gotta make this intro fast as possible so she won't hear me try to do all this. So this is the poster board. I'm gonna cut it up and make it smaller so it won't be so noticeable when I'm like trying to get it outside. That's what we're gonna do. Cutting it. I think I did a good job. My marker and my scissors. So I put honk for good luck and I put up here in parentheses pranking my mom. Alright, y'all. I don't know how she gonna react. I'm nervous. I ain't got no chapstick on, lipstick. Y'all, I'm nervous. I don't know how she gonna react. So let's go ahead and try to get this prank started. I think it's raining outside. Oh, dang, it's raining. The sign gonna get wet. Oops, I was struggling with the tape, bro. Hope this junk stay on here because it's raining. Me and my mom are doing a little video today. The day in the life with my mom.
Hi. So good to have a mom.
Yeah, it is.
Look at my little kids from school.
It is. Alright, y'all. Where are we going today, Mom?
I'll run a couple errands right quick.
I'm just running.
I hate to drive out here when it's raining because these people can't drive.
The driver crazy.
It's bad whenever it's not raining. Yeah, I just gotta run a couple errands and then the rest of the day is free.
Get a milkshake.
Huh?
Huh?
A milkshake?
Yep.
No, we ain't getting no milkshakes.
Mm-hmm.
No, we not.
Yup. Getting a milkshake.
For what?
So I can drink it.
You don't need a milkshake.
Y'all get milkshakes a lot in the summertime because it be hot.
That must be your birthmark, a milkshake.
Pretty much.
These people
Face look chubby.
won't let you get over.
Y'all, excuse my hat because I got the other wig in the mail today. I'm gonna do a video on that later. So I just put the hat on this wig because this wig about to come off for a couple days so we can test out the other one.
These people cannot drive.
Sorry, y'all, I'm texting back.
Yeah, we're gonna do a couple errands. And that'll be it.
I'm just looking.
Tell me. These people act like they...
I might get copyrighted.
Oh, Lord.
Y'all, my bad. I forgot the radio was kind of loud. Why you still change the radio back, though?
Because I want to hear that.
Y'all, she always changed the radio back when my favorite songs be coming on. I don't...
Because you get in here and act like it's your radio.
Because I listen to music while I'm driving.
Well, yes, I do too. And that happened to be what I want to hear
But
right
today
now.
I'm riding, so I guess I can't.
But you get in here and you start flipping my buttons. Yep,
Well, I
y'all.
don't want to hear that at sometimes.
She doesn't like to listen to old school music like
I
me.
didn't say I didn't.
She doesn't. She always want to listen to the new music now.
No, I didn't say that.
The new music.
Whatever.
The new music.
Time and place for everything, and the time is I don't want to hear. You can't make nobody listen to nothing they don't want to hear. Right?
Yep.
Just doing a run.
Hey.
I ain't gonna be out here long. Too much. Everybody driving, like I said, like, oh my gosh, you gonna pull
Oh,
right out.
look, he's swerving.
Where are you trying to go, sir?
Tired already. Y'all, I couldn't wait to do an unboxing on that wig. I opened it up already. But see, with AliExpress, you kind of gotta open it when you get it so that you can do the what is it called? Confirm order goods received or something. So you kind of gotta go ahead and open it when you get it to confirm that's what you were supposed to be getting, and it's the right thing and you like it and all that stuff. So I kind of had to open it right away. So yeah, well, y'all get a video on it today later on. I'm gonna break my head
On your wig.
Yeah.
Where was that?
Did somebody just beat the horn? Ma, what did you do?
Must be somebody I know.
Somebody beat the horn, bro. Ma, did you not go when the light turned green?
Yeah, I went with the. Didn't you see when I went when the light turned green? I don't take off right when the light turned green. You can't do that around here. I took off when the light turned green. Somebody would have ran the light and it'd have been an accident. You
Wow,
don't do
these
that.
people in Fayetteville tripping, boy. They just blowing
Take
the
your
horn.
time.
They just blowing the horn at us.
I go dotting out there and somebody be hit me.
Our bumper getting rolled. Oh my gosh.
The bumper could get rolled all they want. He want to go any faster, he go around. And this light is yellow and this car in front of me stopping and I'ma stop. I don't ride people behind. I don't know what's
They
wrong with
be
these
riding
people.
the bumper. They riding the bumper hard.
That's why I know I shouldn't have come out here this time of day.
Yep.
Getting on my nerves. Hello?
Oh, my grandma calling y'all.
Hey, Mom.
Favorite person in the whole world on the phone.
No, ma'am, I didn't. I'm out here. I was running some errands with Ebony right quick.
Dang, the light turned.
Yeah. Well, Mom, I got to pay attention.
She
Up
driving
here,
because they driving
Because
crazy.
I'm driving, these people driving crazy and they blowing horns and stuff. Like I'm gonna pull off out here as soon as the darn light turn red. I mean green.
This is wild.
I ain't pulling out there like that. Some people have lost their mind. Every time, did you not go when the light was green? People blowing at you.
My bad.
I told you pull out there then. I ain't pulling out there. Somebody hit me.
So that light turned around.
I don't know. You know they drive crazy when it's not raining. When it's raining, they drive even crazier.
Y'all, she on the phone.
But that's why I'm
My
going
arm
to get off
getting
the phone
tired.
so I can pay attention. I'm paying attention,
tired.
but I need to pay attention.
My
even
mama
more.
need a camera stand in her car because my arm getting tired.
I already did, Ma. I did that already.
My face getting fat, y'all.
Yeah. It said it was. I did whatever through them. I'm not sure. All right, Mommy. Love you too. I'll call you later. All right. I ain't running about there. People already drive cuckoo. Anybody driving around this city, they know. Just looking in. I'm not pulling out there. You better not be pulling out there either as soon as the light.
Sound like somebody else was blew the horn. I
They
missed
can
it.
blow all they want. Run these little errands, do what I got to do, and go home. Oh my gosh.
But they
pull
pulling out
for
for
idiots.
these people.
The road is still wet.
There's not really a lot of people out today.
No, it's not. But the
At
road
this
is
time. I guess people still at work. They probably get off at like 5.
the road is wet. So why you rushing? Like it's getting ready to storm again.
We just passed the mall. My mama won't let me go in the mall.
I am not going to that trap.
She be playing. I come out with her thinking she was gonna go places I wanted to go to.
I'm grocery shopping. I got a couple.
Oh, I'm
of
not going
errands.
grocery shopping.
Yes, you are. You eat, don't you?
I'm not going grocery shopping.
In this car.
I'm not going grocery shopping.
That's going to my errands.
I'm not going grocery shopping. I don't go grocery shopping.
You eat, don't you?
I don't go.
If you don't go grocery shopping, you need to stop eating.
I don't go. I don't even eat the grocery. Half the time I be at work. With them.
Go ahead and eat with them. I save my grocery
She
bill.
went in the restaurant. Oh, shoot. She went in the restaurant, Miyabi. She went inside, so I'm gonna go back there and check on the sign. I'm gonna try to check on the sign. Oh, shoot. All right, y'all, let me check on the sign. I'm dropping my other phone. Oh, shoot. Check on the sign. Right. It's still back there. Hopefully she ain't see me. I had to make sure it's still back there because nobody was honking no horn, bro. I know that people look at me like, why she hop out the car like that? I'll try to make sure I don't get seen. And hopefully when she walked back up, she walked in front of the car. I didn't think about that. Y'all, I was trying to just think of stuff to say on the camera so she wouldn't like catch on to something being up. But I couldn't think of what to say. So I guess I should have got like some Q&A questions or something so I could have talked to y'all while I was driving. I don't know, bro. Y'all, I'm so used to saying, bro. I don't know. The people I hang around be saying it, so. Yeah, y'all. So, I don't know. We'll see what happened. The people in Fayetteville act like they scared to blow the horn. And it's like, I don't know. I don't want to just sit here and record the whole time because that'll be a lot to edit out. So, I was like, I don't know if I just need to stand here and, like, set the camera up. Or do what? Because, like, you never know. Like, I keep on looking to see people behind us. And when they're not behind us, I turn the camera off. Or, like, if I feel like we at the stop sign, I feel like they're going to blow, I turn the camera back on. But after a while, she going to be looking at me like, why are you recording and not saying nothing? So it's like, and I don't want y'all to get bored just watching footage of us just sitting here recording and driving. But it's like, nobody beeping the horn. Like, the sign is back there clear as day. I feel like I put it on there big enough. So it was like, I put honk for good luck. So honk. And I put in parentheses pranking my mom. So y'all just need to play along and do it. I would do it. Maybe they think it's something else, like they ain't taking time to read it. I don't know.